Lost your keys again? Today we're reviewing the Apple AirTag 4-pack, your ultimate solution for never losing track of your valuables. These tiny trackers revolutionize how you find anything from wallets to backpacks, integrating seamlessly with your iPhone. What truly sets AirTag apart is precision finding, leveraging ultra-wideband technology to guide you directly to your item with on-screen directions, sound, and haptic feedback. It's like magic. Setup is incredibly simple. Just one tap with your iPhone, and your AirTag is paired and ready to go in seconds, making it the easiest tracker to use. Worried about spills or dust? No problem. AirTags boast an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, ensuring they survive daily adventures and accidental mishaps. Unlike generic trackers, AirTag taps into Apple's vast Find My network, allowing millions of Apple devices worldwide to help locate your lost items, even if it's far away. This 4-pack is perfect for tracking multiple items. Attach one to your luggage, another to your pet's collar, or even to your car keys. If you're looking for the best smart tracker for iPhones in 2025, definitely check out the Apple AirTag. Find the Amazon link in the description below. It's an essential electronics gadget that brings peace of mind, saving you time and stress from frantic searches. So, if you want the ultimate Bluetooth tracker, grab your Apple AirTag 4-pack today. You won't regret this purchase.